How much do you know about music? Probably more than you think, unless you live in a world with no internet, TV, radio, or movies. Music is everywhere. You cannot get away from it. Not that we'd want to, but it's in our homes, cars, grocery stores. I mean, when was the last time you went through a whole day without hearing any music? I can't think of the last time. And because music is constantly in our heads, we have so much musicality right here inside of us. We just need to learn how to transfer the instinctual knowledge that we feel over to the piano. And that's why I'm here. My name is Susan, and welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. I named it Piano Roadmap because many of us who are learning the piano get lost, and it's hard to know what to do or where to go next. Now, I'm here to tell you that you, yes, you can absolutely learn how to play the piano. But I'm also here to tell you that it can be a bumpy ride. It's not always easy, but the journey itself is so rewarding if you set reasonable expectations. And remember that music is just music. It doesn't need to be flawless, amazingly complex, or life-altering. Sometimes it is, but a lot of times it's not. Music can be stupid, funny, boring, sad, happy. I mean, anything you experience and feel in life, it can be. Music reflects life and all that comes with it. So in other words, it's not going to feel easy and simple all the time, whether you're learning online, with an app, or with a private teacher. Anyway, to start this channel off, I'm doing a series that lays down 4 basic concepts of piano music, and they are pitch, rhythm, scales, and chords. Having a real piano for this is great, but it is not necessary. An electric piano works just fine. If you're completely new to piano, I want you to start with this series. It's a good way to make sure you're prepared for future lessons, so we're all starting with this foundational knowledge. Once you complete these first 4 videos, you'll be ready to take off on your piano journey. This is truly just the beginning, and that means many more videos to come on this channel. I hope you'll be here with me and help guide where this channel goes. If you're currently learning piano and feel lost, I want to hear from you. I'd love to know your biggest struggles in learning piano and your input on what might be helpful for you. We all learn differently, so the more people I hear from, the better this channel will be. My ultimate goal is to give you the tools that will help you develop your personal learning process and enable you to become your own teacher. There are many roads that lead to becoming a pianist, and I want to help find the best path for you because you can learn how to play the piano. If you're ready to start, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me. And since my channel is brand new, it'd be amazing if you'd also subscribe. Make sure to check out your very first official lesson on pitch, which also covers how to read music. Until then, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.